Sodo wa Ma'al Abzi, kulan wanaagsan. Hi, I am teacher Abzi. Nice to meet you. And welcome to Somaliwithabzi. Do you want to book one-on-one Somali class? Then definitely check in the description and book right now. In the last lesson, we learned how to introduce yourself in Somali language. And today, we are going to learn how to thank people in Somali, or how to say good morning, good afternoon, good night, and many others. Diyar ma tahay? Are you ready? Aan bilawno. Then let's start. To say someone thank you in Somali language, say Mahadsanid. Mahadsanid. Ma-had-sa-nid. 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 Mahadsanid. Now, it's very important to know the word Mahadsanid is only the short form, and the long form is Wad Mahadsantahay. Wad Mahadsantahay. Wad Ma-had-san-ta-hay. Wad Ma-had-san-ta-hay. Wad Ma-had-san-ta-hay. Wad Mahadsantahay. So it's very important to know in Somali language, the shortest answer is always the best, and we always prefer to use the shortened ways. That's why you should use Mahadsanid instead of Wad Mahadsantahay. Now, if someone says to you Mahadsanid and you'd like to say you're welcome in Somali, say Adamudan. Adamudan. A-da-mu-dan. 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 And again, the word Adamudan is short form, and the long form is Adiga Aya Mudan. Adiga Aya Mudan. A-di-ga Aya Mudan. A-di-ga Aya Mudan. A-di-ga Aya Mudan. And probably you know we always prefer to use the shortened way. That's why you should say Adamudan. So now, if someone says Mahadsanid, you have to say Adamudan. You don't have to say Wad Mahadsantahay, and you don't have to say Adiga Ayamudan. Those are the long answers, and the shortest answer would be the best in Somali. So now, to say someone in Somali, good morning, say Subah wanaagsan. Subah wanaagsan. Subah wanaagsan. Subah wanaagsan. Subah wanaagsan. Subah wanaagsan. And if someone says to you Subah wanaagsan, we always respond, and the respond is not the same as English. So if someone says in English good morning, you should say good morning, or you should say morning. But in Somali, it's different. If someone says to you Subah wanaagsan, we sometimes say wanaagsan or Subah wanaagsan again, but we always say Subah lamid ah. Subah lamid ah. Subah lamid ah. Subah lamid ah. So the term lamid ah in Somali, what we mean is and you too, or as back to you as well. So as usual, when someone says to us good morning or good afternoon or something like that, we always respond back lamid ah with that verb. So we say Subah wanaagsan, Subah lamid ah. And remember, we also say Subah wanaagsan and respond Subah wanaagsan as well. And we sometimes say wanaagsan as the way English does, like good morning, morning. We say sometimes wanaagsan, but that's not very useful. The most useful way to say is Subah lamid ah. So now, if you're going to say someone good night in Somali, we say habeen wanaagsan. Habeen wanaagsan. Habeen wanaagsan. Habeen wanaagsan. Habeen wanaagsan. Habeen wanaagsan. And the response for that is to say habeen la mid ah. 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 Now, do you know how to ask someone their age, work, or what they do in Somali? Then you should learn those and many other phrases in the next lesson. And please, if you reached until here, please like the video because it really helps to reach many people. And also, don't forget to follow me on my podcast. So I will leave you a link in the description. Go there and follow me on the podcast as well. ونساركينا عشر كدنبه نبت قليو. See you in the next lesson. Bye.